Good morning. How are you doing today?
Doing well. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm Adrian.
I'm Alana.
Oh, say again?
Alana.
Oh, could you spell it for us, please?
Yeah. It's A-L-A-N-N-A.
Double N, then?
2 N's.
Okay.
1 L.
A-L-A-N-A. Right?
Perfect.
Okay, guys. So now, this is a great video, okay? And thank you so much for being with us today.
Thanks for having me.
This is a great video to practice your English, guys, okay? Because we are still in New York, so I found really amazing people for you to improve your English. Okay, thank you so much. But before we keep talking, I'm gonna do a little like announcement, okay?
Great.
So guys, if you wanna subscribe to this wonderful YouTube channel, you know the drill. Cliquez sur le bouton rouge en bas à droite. Vous pouvez aussi récupérer votre kit complet pour vous mettre ou pour vous remettre à l'anglais. This is like a PDF. You've got like 37 pages, and then you got all the basics covered to improve your English.
Love it.
Donc si vous voulez récupérer votre kit complet pour vous mettre ou pour vous remettre à l'anglais, this is very simple. You click on there is a letter up there, un I, okay? Vous cliquez dessus, it's on YouTube, and you can have it right now in your mailbox, okay? Le lien est en dessous aussi. Okay, I have a series of questions for you.
Great.
So you just answered the first one, basically. What's your first name?
Alana.
Alana. And how are you today?
I'm doing great.
You are doing great. Are you like doing, can I say that in English? Doing amazing?
I'm doing amazing.
Okay.
Yeah, today's
Awesome.
a good day. You know, the weather is nice. It's been very hot, but today is nice.
Amazing. Okay, this is very common word
Yeah.
in American English.
I use it all the time.
Yeah, okay. And awesome also?
Awesome. All the time.
Okay. So you said something really interesting for us,
Yeah.
because we don't say it that way in French. You said it has been very hot.
Yes.
So meaning not only today.
Yes, but this past few weeks have been very hot. And this week is finally less hot.
Okay, I agree. It's fresher outside.
Yes.
So I'm just going to do a little explanation in French for everyone
Yeah.
to understand. Donc vous avez vu, en fait, elle a employé le present perfect. Donc elle a employé le present perfect parce que c'est quelque chose qui a commencé depuis quelques semaines et qui se prolonge, qui a des conséquences dans le présent. Donc du coup, present perfect. It has been. And not, it is very hot. Okay? Because very hot is present, is right now. Okay. Well, very simple question. Where do you live right now?
I live on the Upper West Side in New York.
Okay, the Upper West Side. I think that's a
Yes.
nice
Yes, I love
part
it.
of the city, right?
I love being there.
Upper West Side, like that.
Just like that.
Okay, Upper West Side. Okay, beautiful. But are you from New York?
No, I'm not from New York.
Where are you from, if I may ask?
Yes, I'm from South Carolina. I grew up and was raised in South Carolina and moved to New York 6 years ago.
Okay, South Carolina. But you don't have any accent. I mean,
Yes.
you have an American accent, but you
Yeah.
don't talk like that.
Right. My family's from Long Island, New York. So
Okay.
So I had a little, different family than being raised in the South.
Got it. South Carolina, guys. Okay, donc État du Sud, et généralement ils ont un accent très chantant, like Alabama, you know.
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes,
I love it.
yeah.
I mean, this is the one I love most.
Yes.
So, okay, maybe a stupid question, but this is good for you to practice. Are you American?
Yes, I'm American.
You are American. That's amazing. Then you don't need any you need a passport, but you don't need any visa to come in to New York.
It's true. We get to cross state lines, but we love visiting Europe for sure.
Okay, perfect. Another great question, in my opinion. What do you do for a living?
Yes, so I'm a fundraiser at a nonprofit.
Okay, okay, okay. That's very, very important. Listen up, guys. So, first of all, what do you do for a living? You can simply say stuff like, sorry, guys. Oh my God, I'm supposed to have this, but I almost forgot I had it in my hand, you know. It's like when you have glasses on your face.
Oh, I do it all the time.
Okay, so now I don't feel that stupid, that's fine. So what do you do for a living? Donc, qu'est-ce que vous faites dans la vie, okay? Or you can simply ask, but it is not as good as this one in my opinion. You can simply ask, what do you do?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
So can you pronounce it for us, please?
Yeah, so it's what do you do for a living? Or just what do you do?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So if you like this video and if you would like to say thank you, just vous pouvez ajouter un pouce bleu en bas à droite. So a few more questions if you don't mind.
Yeah.
You told us you like fundraising? Or?
Yeah, fundraising.
Okay. Can you explain to us what it is exactly?
Absolutely. So if when you work at a nonprofit organization in the United States, the funding comes from donors or sometimes grants from the government or from foundations, but the only way that it comes through is by asking. So the fundraiser's job is to ask for donations to support a charity cause.
Okay, nice. Donations, a grant. Okay, so I'm gonna translate it. So fundraising is levée de fonds. Okay, a grant is une bourse. Et donation, sorry guys, donation c'est un don. Don. And if you work for, I think you can say that in English, I work for a non-profit.
Yeah.
Everyone is gonna understand what it means,
Exactly,
right?
exactly.
Okay, so a non-profit is une organisation caritative, a non-profit organization.
Yeah.
Can you say that?
Yeah. So we have 3 sectors, we like to call them, of work. There's the public sector, which is working in government. The private sector, which is the divided into for-profit and non-profit.
Okay.
And so then our the for-profit company is funded by investors or products, and then or services, and then a non-profit organization is funded by donations.
Not here for the money, but to really, I mean, your activity is basically to help people.
Yeah.
To solve certain matters.
Yeah, provide a service that is not provided by the government or the private sector.
Okay. A non-profit organization, une organisation caritative. So you have to understand something, guys. In Europe, and basically like Belgium, Switzerland, France, we're gonna, how can I say that? Even in French, we're gonna give a lot of money, like paying a lot of taxes, so we're gonna give back a lot of our money. So we don't have that many non-profit organizations, or they are not as big as in the US. In the US, the government is gonna provide very, very basic services, right? So you have a lot of non-profit organizations to cover up all the different sectors of social activities, social housing, healthcare centers. I mean,
food
you
banks.
name it, you have it.
Yeah.
So, okay. Tell me, please, write it down below. Écrivez un commentaire pour savoir, pour me dire si vous avez bien compris ce dont on vient parler. I want them to write a comment to know if they understood. I want them to tell me if they understood what we talk about.
Great.
So, another question for you. Oh, this is an easy question. What do you do in your free time?
Oh, I love to read. That's my favorite pastime is to read. I read lots of different types of books, fantasy books, contemporary literature, history books, novels, nonfiction.
Okay.
Lots of different types of books.
Okay. Would you say that free time is like spare time?
Yeah, free time is spare time. Yeah.
Okay. So, guys, your free time, your spare time, same stuff, ton temps libre ou votre temps libre.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes we also say, what do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun? Okay. Yeah, this is more textbook, I think, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna write this down, guys. What do... Oh, I forgot. Can you say it
What
again?
do you do for fun?
Say again?
What do you do for fun?
Okay, so now practice, guys, okay? You have... I mean, this is amazing if you want to practice, okay? What do you do for fun, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say it again for us, please?
What do you do for fun?
Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, so I hope you have appreciated this course. It was amazing as far as I am concerned.
Yay.
Thank you so much. But wait up, guys. This is just the first video. We're going to do a second one, okay? So get ready for tomorrow. If you have any questions, any comments, you can write it down below, right there, okay? Merci à vous, j'espère que vous avez apprécié cette vidéo. Si c'est le cas, vous pouvez mettre un gros pouce bleu comme ceci en cliquant juste en bas à droite. Et n'oubliez pas, vous pouvez aussi vous abonner à cette fabuleuse chaîne YouTube. Je trouve plus mes mots en français. En bas à droite, c'est difficile de changer en fait d'une langue à l'autre. Et vous pouvez aussi télécharger le kit complet pour vous mettre ou pour vous remettre à l'anglais en cliquant sur le i en haut à droite. Ou aussi, il y a un lien qui est juste ici. Si vous êtes toujours sur YouTube, si vous êtes sur Facebook, the link is up there in the description, guys. Talk to you tomorrow. Thank you so much again. It was so great.
Thank you. Great.
Bye bye.